Prochaine station, Gare Centrale. Correspondance avec la ligne orange du métro.
And a very good evening to all my viewers. It's Saturday, October 7th, 2023. It's exactly 10:44 p.m. Eastern Canadian Time. We're just going to go for a short ride here from Île-des-Sœurs Station to Central Station in Montreal on this very rainy evening. And I just filmed the ride going in the opposite direction from Central Station to Île-des-Sœurs. Now we're heading back again to Montreal. Of course, this is all doable with a Zone A transit pass. So if you want to ride the REM and you live in Montreal and you don't want to pay for a trip all the way to Brossard, just use your Zone A pass, monthly pass, weekly pass, and you'll have full access to riding between Central Station and Île-des-Sœurs Station. Very peaceful night on the REM tonight. And it is hard to film out the windows, of course, when it's raining. But you can make out the Montreal skyline somewhat as we pass the Via Rail Maintenance Center. And by the way, I have tried the Wi-Fi on the REM and it seems pretty good. Mind you, that was off peak hours, so maybe, during rush hour there's higher demand for the Wi-Fi, so it might be slower, but, during weekends, evenings, on rush hour, it's pretty smooth, pretty good connection. And I'm going to try doing a live stream using the REM Wi-Fi one day, see how that works out. If you're wondering what those red lights are that are flashing, those are electrical towers holding up high voltage power lines that go over the St. Lawrence River. switch tracks. Alright, so as I always say, everyone, thanks for watching.
Station. Gare centrale.
If you like what you see, hit the like button, hit subscribe, turn on the notification bell. More content to come.
Les portes s'ouvriront sur le côté gauche.